Ever wondered what's actually inside your cleanser and if it's even right for your skin? We break skincare down ingredient by ingredient. Let's talk about salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a BHA, which means it's oil-soluble. Translation: it doesn't just clean the surface of your skin. It gets deep down inside your pores. That's why it's so good at helping to unclog pores, reduce blackheads and whiteheads, control excess oil, and support acne-prone skin. So who is it actually for? If you have oily or acne-prone skin, this could be a game changer for you. But be careful, if your skin is dry or sensitive, using it too often can cause irritation. Here as the Kaloc tip, a salicylic acid cleanser doesn't need a lot of time to work. Just 30 to 60 seconds is all it takes. Skincare isn't about trends, it's about understanding. Kaloc explains. Subscribe for more.